Your voice is one of your key presentation tools. But what are the elements of a good voice? What do you need to be an effective speaker? One of these elements is tone. And I think we'd all agree that flat, monotone delivery promotes disinterest and disengagement. Tonal variation conveys your interest and your passion, and it helps make what you say interesting. Pace. Your audience needs to keep up with you in real time. Help your audience to keep up with you by going slightly slower, which I think is better, always better than slightly too fast. Gauge your audience. You'll notice if they're keeping up. Pauses. You may have noticed already I'm using these short, natural pauses at natural breaks as I talk. You can do the same thing too. Punctuate what you're saying with short, half-second pauses. It helps the audience keep up in real time. Word stress. Emphasize keywords, words which carry meaning and stress. For example, so, the first thing I noticed here, and it was really important, the method worked. So, powerful messaging lies in good elements of voice, tone, pace, pauses, word stress. It also comes together with body language, our gestures, expression, movement, and our signposting, the usage of functional language with content language.